It's Faye. Thanks to Functional Beauty for sponsoring today's video. Before we get into this K-pop style haul, very exciting, we're gonna get ready. You guys are gonna love it. Linda, you know my skin has been through the ringer. It is summer, so my skin is more sensitive and oilier than ever. Worse than normal. I've switched up and started incorporating my custom serum from Function of Beauty into my morning skincare routine because the heat is crazy. And when my makeup sits on top with the heat, that is a no-no. I wanted control, so I customized it for me. I make sure my skincare routine is light and it doesn't neglect any of my skin needs. Meet my Function of Linda serum, which all their products are vegan, cruelty-free, non-GMO, and no parabens or sulfates. I made sure my skin goals are met with these top 3 needs. Tightening with nanochlorphorus aculeata extract and polulan. This can boost firmer skin with anti-aging reducing of wrinkle appearances. Apparently it goes in effect within 4 hours of using it. The second goal is to minimize my pores using artichoke extract and pyridoxine cyclic phosphate. This improves my skin's elasticity, therefore improving the skin appearance. Anita, for my huge pores. And also to reduce shine by using, okay, I might butcher this, Enantia chloritha bark extract and olenolic acid. This unique compound actually reduces sebum production and also refines your skin texture. I'm just now gonna take my Function of Linda moisturizer to lock everything in, and oh, this gel consistency. So plump. It's amazing how non-sticky these layers are because it absorbs quickly into your skin. Girl, my makeup is unbothered. Improvements I've noticed these past weeks, the firmness around my smile lines. This area right here. And to be really honest, I just love how my skin doesn't feel suffocated underneath all that makeup, especially with the 2 p.m. heat wave. These skincare products play a huge role in that. These products are 100% custom that's made actually for you. You get more control over the ingredients that go into your skincare products by shopping around your goals. That makes a great way to target specific concerns you've been thinking about your skin. Why not simplify skincare and reduce product clutter with one product that targets all in one? Get 20% off a custom serum and a free selfie headband when you click the link down below. Okay, I'm gonna finish getting ready. Hi. Listen, Linda, recently on my Instagram, you guys saw me wear this outfit. It wasn't recent, it was a while ago. A lot of people really like that K-pop-esque feel, that baddie, K-poppy, I'm a dancer look. So I decided that I was gonna shop a bunch on Lychee the Label. By the way, if you didn't buy any merch yet, I'm gonna link it down below. Make sure to buy some merch to support your girl. The Linda fam, here we are, twinning for the winning. Woo. This is actually the first piece I'm sharing with you guys from Lychee the Label. This is the Parfait Stripe Zip-Up Crop. I got it in the size large, but look at this. You can see the brew again. So I've noticed that clothes from Lychee, they run in Asian sizes. So when you get a large like this, it downsizes. The sizes aren't as accurate, but again, it could be the chesty besties. It doesn't look like a large, but it's so cute. I love the hoop zip right here. You can open it up, close it up, you can wear it to how you like. You need some air. I do love the baby pink tracing on the vest, the ribbing, and then it does outline in this pink all around the bottom, but you can't really tell because it sinks under. I love how sporty this looks, but also like very ABG. Oh yeah, this brand, very ABG vibes. I'm just kind of sad about the sizing, but you know, we'll try out all the other stuff I got. Maybe if you're petite and you are a little smaller in size, then this brand will actually be really fitting to your body type. I know that this haul is for mid-sized bodies and a mid-sized girl like me, but let's be inclusive and let the smaller girls know that this will be a perfect brand for you actually. I might just have to go back and purchase an extra large because it's so cute. You guys, let's just give it a second. Okay, listen, Linda. The skirt I have on is the macchiato plaid skirt in large. So this skirt originally, you just like strap it on. The shorts you should be wearing are the gray ones, except the gray ones are not in stock, or at least when I was buying these stuff. So it looks a little funky. Like I feel like you don't get the idea of this skirt. Sorry. I will mention these shorts down beneath. That gives my fupa the title it does. They're the truffle cutout shorts. Also in large. The quality of the skirt is actually pretty thick to my surprise. Not flimsy. The pleat, the plaid. Oh, if only I had the gray shorts, you'll understand it more. This peekaboo leg, like... I'm sorry that this is ruining it for us. I actually really do like the gray, except it is long. I mean, look at this. Like maybe it feels shorter. This is not going the way I wanted it to, so let's just put on a black skirt for you guys to understand. This is the black one. Okay, this haul is really not going the way I want it to. I got this in the size medium and it does not hoop around. It does not buckle. Don't get a medium if you're a size 8 to 10. Look at this. These two skirts are really similar, except this quality is like higher and thicker. This quality feels like a flannel. So this is a medium. It doesn't fit me, but you understand the concept, right? It's very Lisa, Blackpink. We'll figure out what we want to do with this. Let's change our shirt. Okay, this is cute. This is a Drake chain tube top, and I got it in the size large. These chains do come in a little packet right here. It feels like right here, okay. You hook them on, and then you clip it together. It has the safety pin detailing right down the middle. It's very fitted to my chest size. I'm surprised this one actually fits really nice. Although, I don't know if it resonates with a large, maybe a medium large, you know, in between. I really like how there are these two seams right here. It feels like they're trying to fit the top to your chest. Definitely my favorite top so far. I'm just glad it fits the whole shebang. Let me put on a skirt. I think it's gonna be super cute. There's a bag of these pins. There we are. Extra large, let's see. Okay, hold on. So this is like the skirt short underneath. Ignore my fupa. And then you have this strap, okay? Link it on. You see? No? And then you take this part and you cover yourself. Snapple. Snapple. And then next to this very long manual, you take these two pins, hook it on, girlfriend. You hook them fishes in the sea. There are a lot of fish in the sea. Okay. Oh. I mean, okay, I was just assuming that this was split open wider to see the pants underneath, but given the pins, that's as much as it'll go. You can't even really tell this strap down here, you know, when we strapped on our legs under Pro. I feel like there's no use of this because you can't even see it. I love the color. Extra large is nicely fitted on my body. I do think that I can make a large work. There's room for me. I feel like it's a little loose. How do you like my outfit together? This is green. KPOP. The shorts underneath are baggy. I just love how it complements each other. This skirt color is gorgeous. I'm not gonna complain about the quality. This one's a little bit more like Estelle, but this one is a little bit more like H&M. The more I look at this shirt, the more I feel like I could totally DIY this. Maybe I should have sized down, because the more I wear this, the more it like starts sagging. Or is she just skinty? Let's swap into this red one. Okay, again, same concept. This is in the size large. I feel like this is gonna be the perfect fit. How do we like this? Wait, this looks funny. This is the Goji skirt, and because it doesn't have the pleated feel, the schoolgirl feel, I don't know, I feel like I can't work it. And there's not even the strap right here. I would have added the strap on this one because there's such a wide opening. I don't think this looks good on me at all. It looks just kind of like, it's the color. Thank you. Short. So far my least favorite. I mean, I guess I can make it work. I don't know, you tell me. This is fun. I decided to get this jumper. It's very like baddie, howdy with a thotty, you know? Okay, so this gives very ABG vibes, almost like Japanese ABG vibes, if you know what I meant. Like manga. I do like how it's fitting to my torso because I have a short torso, but because it is heavy, it keeps like falling backwards. There is a hood, if you can see. Yeah. Feels heavy and stiff. The texture is very like felt board texture. It feels kind of like pokey, but not horrible. Very felt board, you know? Not soft, stiff, dry. I do love the gray contrast though. I love how it outlines the whole piece. So it stands out, and it has these clips, these straps that you can adjust on your sleeves. If I lift my arm, I have to be conscious to pull it down because the hood is so heavy that this thing goes back like that. I love how it has this V-neck sweater look to it as well, even though it's a hoodie. This gives me Stray Kids vibes. I'm sorry. Stray Kids! Or Old Day Got 7. You know, like it's a little crazy, it's a little extreme. Does this scream K-pop to you? Can it be K-pop? It can be K-pop. Next top! This is in large. Again, we have that issue with the like bottom half of my chesty besties just popping out. The quality of the chains I've noticed aren't like the best on everything. Very Hobby Lobby. I don't know how I really like this shirt. I don't know, the more I look at it, I feel like it's not as flattering to my body, but then also it's okay. It makes my shoulders look big. And on the bottom, is it lopsided? Is this like longer? It's not like it's fitting to your body. This extra flimsiness hanging out. This Anise chain top is very elasticy. Elastic. It's not like cotton or anything. It has just this feeling. I do like the mini sweetheart here, but I'm not a huge fan of the sleeves. I wore shirts like this in middle school, you know what I mean? The chain does spice it up, but is it enough? It's short and like, be aware. There are these lines, right, where your boob should fit in, and it's half of my chesticle. Like it cuts halfway here when it should be like scooped down here. I don't think this style matches me. Okay, this skirt and the strapless top has to be my all-time favorite from Lychee the Label. The most frequent pieces you'll see me in, so these are the two last pieces from Lychee the Label that I wanted to share with you guys from this haul. Their stuff is quite heavy on the wallet side. I feel like these are the two most popular pieces on their website. So this is a top. It's separate from the bottom, just in case you get confused. This top has this diagonal strap. It looks like some bang bang happening here, and then you have this strap that comes across, and it starts right in the front here with the tube top right in the middle. However, I've noticed this tube top is smaller on this side. I don't know if that's just, you know, a mishap in production. Didn't measure it out completely the same from one end to the other end, but it is tinier over here. Although it does look okay here. There's no structure, no body to this at all. It's just literally like cloth. They do flail around a little on their own, which I mean is okay. I wish this can just kind of stay with me. I do feel like this is a Lisa outfit. This skirt is actually a medium, which I'm kind of shocked because some skirts were mediums and they couldn't even... I feel like the sizes are inconsistent. It is a little snug. As you can tell, the side pieces are like poking through, and it's a skirt. The short underneath is attached to the skirt. The manual is a little shorter to put this one on. You just snap all the buttons here, put your leash on, and that's it. You can't really tell because I'm standing this way where there's a shadow. But if I turn like this, there's a lot of muffin top and fupa happening down here. It traces it so well. Because the shorts are very thin, not just on this but other pieces, they just trace out your whole bottom half. I love the length of this skirt though. A medium, the length is like perfect on me, and I'm like 5 feet. Like it's like perfect length for me. Woo, woo, woo. And putting these two pieces together, I am ready to go to KCON. I'm ready. When are we going? This is my favorite of this K-pop haul. This store has a very like K-pop ABG aesthetic. I guess that's it for this haul. Make sure you guys let me know what other shops you want me to try with your aesthetic, K-pop or not, and make sure to check out my merch. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't